Hello everyone, this is Zukhruf from Infosharing360.com. Okay, so today's topic is about character spacing in PowerPoint. Well, at times we want our text to use lesser space so that all content can fit in within 2 lines instead of three. Or in other cases, we want our text to use more space so that extra space can be utilized. So if we want to make any changes to the spacing between text character, then PowerPoint's character spacing option is the right tool. By character spacing, I actually mean the amount of space in between individual letters. So let's see how we can choose different character spacing options. All right, to access character spacing options, go to Home tab of the ribbon and select the character spacing button. This brings up the character spacing drop-down menu. Within this menu, there are overall 6 options, and by default, normal is selected. Let's discuss all one by one. First, the normal option keeps the character spacing as normal. Then there is this option of loose. It actually expands the character spacing by 3 points. Then very loose will expand the character spacing option by 6 points. Tight and very tight options will condense the character spacing. So tight will condense the character spacing by 1.5 points, and very tight will do the same as well. It will condense it by 3 points. And we have another option as well, more spacing. If you want to expand or condense the character spacing as per your requirement, then you can use this function as well. To use it properly, we'll first select the text and then go to this option. For instance, if I want to expand the character spacing by 20 points, then I can use this option. I change the number to 20. See, it has expanded the character spacing. So you can use all these functions as per your requirement. Well, that's all on this topic. Thank you for watching this video.